Hello everyone, it's Mark Arthur here, and today I will be talking about my topic for my presentation called Social Media Impact on Mental Health. So as I begin, I want to say that we all know by now from this introduction and from the way that we live in this world today is that social media has has definitely has definitely been a big part of our daily life for billions of people all over the world, especially in like in today's world. With all these platforms that give us so many opportunities and being able for all of us to connect and to communicate with each other and to tell each other a lot of information, research states that people who use social media too much though in a in a unhealthy way though can can contribute to the rise of mental health issues such as depression and low self-esteem. The, the bad effects from all this stuff is having depression and really bad like anxiety, and that can cause a lot of problems with sleeping. And when you wake up in the morning, you are going to feel tired, and you feel tired because so many people are on social media, on Facebook or on stuff like that, like platforms like that, and they are in fear of missing out. They are upset that they are gonna miss something, and that can cause feelings of loneliness and FOMO, and that is that is to be found especially in young adults. The solution to this problem, in my opinion, I think that social media companies should be developing and influence a much harder community guidelines that prevent misinformation and harassment, and it, they should have a platform that has everyone, and just the whole platform should be all about kindness and taking accountability for their actions. The rise of mental health awareness in the past couple of years, there has been a big increase in the awareness and people talking about the awareness. But I think there should be a lot more talk about mental health, probably in schools and with places like that. So that they should have a class of surrounding mental health. There's been an increased mental health organizations in communities, and people feel more empowered to seek help and to have support for each other and to support the awareness online and providing great resources, and just they and they were creating good and safe spaces for people, and that is really good so that everybody can understand compassion and we can contribute to a healthier environment where mental health is number one priority and supported. My recommendations are all simply what I just said now, but again, promote a really good and respectful online community and just encourage platforms, policies to foster respect along with campaigns that raise awareness about cyberbullying and harassment and the importance of kindness online, because that is a big problem in our world today. And and we need people to be safe online because it's to strengthen the safety and positive environment of social media. We need to also establish. My conclusion to my presentation is, to talk about these kinds of problems are really important to be talking about, especially in today's world. It's important to have moms and dads and guardians, kids and young adults, and yes, even mental health professionals to know about the awareness a lot more. It's to foster good, good and to have a good and respectful online community for everyone all over the world. We can have so that way we can have a safe online space that is safe for everybody with trust and have a good well-being. Because social media can be a good thing, but sometimes it can get out of hand with mental health and cyberbullying, things like that. So, my conclusion to all of this is to really just talk about the awareness more. It is so important to have these kinds of talks with people. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and bye-bye. And to end my presentation again, he is my references. He all the resources that I got to type from and I got to use from my presentation.